Better Homes and Gardens or similar flush mount ceiling light installation. Install the light outlet junction box. Install the cable from the switch and insert it into the junction box. Fasten the cable to the beam within 12 inches of the junction box. Remove the cable jacket and insert the wires into the junction box. Example of other junction boxes suitable for light fixture support. Adjustable metal 4 inches octagonal junction box. Pancake 4 inches round shallow metal junction box. Adjustable 4 inches round PVC junction box. Pancake 4 inches round shallow metal junction box acceptable for fan support. Pancake type 4 inches round PVC junction box acceptable for fan support. When the wiring is complete and a sheetrock installed, install the light fixture. Better Homes and Gardens light fixture. Light fixture package contains light fixture main body, light fixture lens, lens ring, lens ring support nuts, light bulbs, wire nuts, light fixture main body attachment screws to the junction box. Turn the power off and install light fixture. Strip ends of the wire about 1/2 inch. Pre-install attachment screws provided. Using wire nut supplied, connect fixture ground, bare wire to the ground, bare wire from the junction box. Connect neutral, white wires from light fixture to the neutral, white wire from the junction box. Connect hot, black wires from light fixture to the hot, black wire from the junction box. Insert connected wires to the junction box. Rise the light fixture to the pre-installed attachment screws in the junction box. Match screws with the installation holes in the main fixture body. Turn the fixture until screws support it. Tighten the screws. Install light bulbs. Lens ring support bolts. Insert light fixture lens on top of the ring, set against the support bolts. Match holes in the ring with the bolts and secure the ring with the nuts provided. Restore the power.
If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.